Japan Crosstech Exhibition 2024, to be held on April 18th at Nikkei Hall, will bring together the latest in crosstech, including AI, data tech, intellectual property tech, tourism tech, food tech, neurotech, and more, and will feature leading experts and practitioners from various industries at the forefront of crosstech. Here are some of the featured agenda items. At 11:45 Mr. Joseph Kim, Head of Global Business Development at YMX, will speak on innovative cases of XR digital twin in manufacturing. The combination of XR digital twin solution and real-time collaboration platform is leading the new DX in manufacturing. YMX's XR digital twin solution has been successfully used by a global automotive manufacturer in their manufacturing and inspection processes to dramatically reduce time and cost. In addition, YMX's XR digital twin solution has been used by an engineering company in their plant construction process to maximize the accuracy and efficiency of their XR inspection operations. In this presentation, we hope to share the innovative value and potential of the YMX platform through these metaverse-based manufacturing solutions and their real-world application on plant construction sites at 12:45 p.m. Yoshitsugu Hitachi, Acting Executive Vice President of Engineering at iSpace, a company active in space technology, will give a presentation. iSpace is a space startup company that aims to expand the sphere of human life into space and create a sustainable world. With its core business of microspace robotics, iSpace aims to lead the development of water resources on the moon and to realize a world where the economy revolves in space. Since water can be used as fuel by breaking it down into hydrogen and oxygen, we believe that mapping water resources on the moon's surface will accelerate space development, construction, energy, steel, communications, transportation, agriculture, medicine, and moon travel. In 2040, 1,000 people will live on, and 10,000 people will visit the moon annually. iSpace is a company that will support the lives of people on Earth by utilizing the infrastructure it has built in space. From 1:45 in Mitsuo Tomita, President of ANA Ineo Corporation, will speak on the topic of ANA's approach to virtual travel platform, proposing a new lifestyle that connects real and virtual worlds. ANA Ineo Corporation, which brings together the ANA Group's customer base and brand, and JP Games development and technical capabilities, has created urban creativity in various services, including ANA Grandwell, offering users a new place to enjoy real and virtual experiences. We look forward to seeing you at the Japan Crosstech Exhibition on April 18, 2024.